Hello everyone, how's it going? Here on a Sunday, living the dream at Lan Auto. Right, behind me here is a Mk6 Fiesta Celebration, limited edition. Let's have a look at it. So, wasn't meant to go this far, but it is what it is. So, the whole shell has had a respray. And I thought, you know what, let's treat it to an underbody restoration. Let's just zoom out a little bit. So, as I'm doing areas so they don't go rusty again, I am just literally treating them with etch primer. So the back end is in etch at the minute. Yesterday on Saturday I went through all the areas that were a bit corroded but sound steel. So that's been treated with Hydro 80. It gives it like a tenacious barrier. It's a bit like crust, but it's better product. So, and as the engine was only hanging on 2 engine mounts, a bit of wiring and a bit of pipe work, we thought, you know what, let's go the extra mile. Let's take the engine out. So, as you can see, she's a little bit crusty, but that, believe it or not, will just be surface rust. So what we're going to do is treat the engine bay, as I've been doing underneath, and also it gives a good opportunity to clean the engine. So it's going to have a new timing belt, all new belts. Basically it's going to be cleaned up. So yeah, onwards and upwards. Watch this space.